Welcome to Get Paid with Apps, where we review apps that'll help you make a little bit of extra money on the side. Today we're going to be talking about ValueMe app. Earn daily rewards effortlessly. Welcome to ValueMe. Earn gift cards of your favorite brands by sharing your location or activity and through surveys and challenges. Now, surveys will pop up every now and then. I don't know what they're talking about with challenges, but I've never really done that many surveys on there. I simply just keep the application on my phone and I earn 10 points every day, which is the equivalent of 10 cents. ValueMe has 3 tier levels. The basic, which is 1 point per day for keeping the app on your phone, the more, which is 5 points, and the most, which is 10 points, which I have. It says you'll earn the 1 point per day, which is 1 cent, and then to move up to the next tier, you have to have your phone sharing 5 days of activity data and turn on your permission to location data for 14 days, and then you'll move up to 5 points per day. If you do that for 30 days, then you'll move up to the 10 points per day. And then if you just keep the app installed on your phone, you should get that 10 points per day every day without doing anything. So it's really a great app to have, and you can cash out to a variety of gift cards, and there is cash outs to PayPal or virtual Visa, and it's just an easy way to make 10 cents a day. I've cashed out 8 times since November 14th, 2022, and you can see I probably made over $100 off of this thing easily. So, you know, you're not going to get rich, but every little bit helps. So that's it for the ValueMe app. I'll put links in the description to their website and how to download the app. Check out getpaidwithapps.com for more apps available to download and start making some money today. If you want to jump ahead, just go to the all apps section and there you'll see every single app that I recommend. I'll be back soon with another video with a new app to review. See ya.